Who likes an old-fashioned declutter? Hey everyone, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. You see, I have acquired a ton of face products. Blushers, bronzers, contour palettes, so highlighters. What I'm going to do today, kind of go through the inventory. And you guys get to come along. These are my Tarte blushes. Not that exciting, but wait. Do I need them? This here's Risque. It's my favorite. I do like it. Notice, in a Tarte blush, it takes nearly forever to get rid of the impression thingy. But do I need these? I think I'm going to get rid of Partey. That was the one we got for a birthday gift in 2017 from Sephora. And we're going to set aside this one in Feisty. Because I have this. This is the Blush Bazaar. It was a holiday release from 2017. I'm thinking this can go. So we're going to get rid of Feisty. Goodbye, Feisty. But I'm keeping this. This has 2 highlights, an F-ton of blushes, and cute packaging. Mine. This is the e.l.f. Like the aqua whatever. It totally reminds me of NARS. And because I'm cheap and I like NARS, I want NARS, I'm keeping this. But this is from Sleek. I got it in the holiday thingy last year. You know, after Christmas sales, what? After Christmas deal, you know, when all the gift sets go on sale. None of this is my jam. So this is gonna go. I wanted to try and make it work, but it isn't gonna happen. So that's going. These are the few that I've received from BoxyCharm. Here's Pretty Vulgar. Here's the Laura Geller and the Bronze and Brighton, or I'm sorry, the Note. I'm gonna go back and yeah, I'm keeping the Note and I'm keeping the Laura Geller. This is not my jam from Pretty Vulgar. I love the packaging. The product worked well. It's just, it's in Prim Vixen. It's so not my color. No. My Ofra Z palette thingy that we got in BoxyCharm. One of these I got from, is it gonna tell me? Probably not. Yeah, one of these I got in BoxyCharm from Ofra. One of these is from Wish.com. I'm going to keep them. I like the idea of having singles, so we're going to keep these. This is from Ulta. I got it in one of those holiday gifts I was using for the what would I do if I lost all of my makeup things. You know, the 10 things I'd buy emergencies deals. Well, I bought one of the gift sets from Ulta. But this has a bronzer or contour shade, a matte shade, a shimmery bronzer thing, a blush, 3 highlights or blush topper, and I don't need this. This is the Bronze and Brighten from Pure that we got in BoxyCharm. I forgot about this when we were doing the BoxyCharm stuff, and I'm going to keep it. Why? Because this color, the bronzer actually works well, and the highlight, and I want to. And every year, Benefit puts out a cheek palette. Usually it has a hula in it. It has Dandelion, Rockateur, but I like Dallas and Coralista. Do I need them? This is going in a maybe pile. Okay, these are from Wet n Wild. These are pretty affordable. I am in between these two colors, so I have to dip into here when it comes to contour. So this is the Dulce de Leche. I got these because I know this color and this color are dupes for Marc Jacobs contour kit thingy. Well, my cheap self wanted to buy all the makeups, and there's a little bit of a divot in there, but I think I'm gonna let this go. This is, though, if you get these, this is in Dulce de Leche, this is in Caramel Toffee. Coffee Toffee? Caramel Toffee. So I think these are gonna be passed on. This is the Pure Sculpting Palette. We got this in BoxyCharm, and these two, actually, if I go in with a light hand, these both work for contour and bronze. And then you got two highlighters. I kind of want to keep this. This is making a reappearance from the eyeshadow palette. This is also Tarte, but this is the Clay Play one. So, you know, Uno. Yay, Uno. That was a great game when I was a kid. I'd play it now, but I'd have to beat my husband. Yeah, I know what I mean. Yeah, I'm going to keep this because it's great for travel. You have the contour, you have the eyeshadows, and if you have a highlight, you can get a full look. And bronzer. This is Bikini Contest from Wet n Wild. I've had that a decent amount of time, and that's actually my go-to. This one we got in BoxyCharm from Beauty Basics. I like the idea of this because it has the shimmer in it. But if I have the Bronze and Brighten, this is going in a maybe pile because I did use this quite a bit. But maybe in this here from Wet n Wild, it's actually my go-to. We're keeping it. First highlight, this was in my first BoxyCharm box. It has a pink highlight and the chocolate. I think I'm gonna have to pass this on. From Sleek, I got that in that blush palette that I showed not that long ago. This highlight came in the same set as well as an eyeshadow palette. Holy beans, Batman. This here is a cream highlight. These are, yeah, I wore it yesterday. It looked great. I'm keeping it. Essence Pure Nude highlighter. They have more. I've had this a while, and I'm keeping this. Ofra Rodeo Drive. I probably don't need this. I probably have other colors similar to this, but I'm keeping it. Okay, so I have a few Becca highlights here. This is in the color Prosecco Pop. I believe that's the one that Jaclyn Hill had in her collaboration. This is in Bronzed Amber. And this is Opal. Opal, Bronzed Amber, and Prosecco Pop. I think I'm going to keep the Becca, the big Beccas. I'm going to give away Opal. Okay, so this is it. I didn't have a mass amount of products to go through, which I'll be honest, that's a thumbs up there. But these are the ones I've decluttered. Mostly, I don't need them. We'll see y'all later soon. Have a good one. Bye.